cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. Between 10 to 1,000 subscriber. Possible gone in one day. Over what? Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. It's unfortunately, it's very, very unfortunate, but I have been cancelled. What does that mean? In modern time, it means that when people abandon you, they don't listen to you, they don't value you anymore. That's what cancel mean in modern time. And that's the case. That's what happened. Why did I get cancelled? Who cancelled me? How did we reach here? Let's make it clear. So, before the, you know, I'm not going to tell you, not for the light bulb, not for the none. I'm going to just jump straight into the meat of the matter right here. You are going. Now, this here is the reason why I get cancelled. This! This is why I get cancelled. That thumbnail is the reason why I got cancelled. That thumbnail. Not only that, this video. That video is the reason why I get cancelled. Let me make you read. Let make you read the title. I'm gonna make you read the title. Let me read the title. See there? Oh boy! Petition against Mason Greenwood, and that is where my cancellation started. Between 10 to 1,000 subscribers, possible. Potentially can go in just 24 hours. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? They have finally got me. They finally catch me, people. They finally catch me for one. A long time they might try to catch me. They finally did it. Can you imagine? And who gave them the ammo? Myself. People, so where is this coming from? I find it very, very funny. So, this morning, as I said, I did a video surrounding Mason Greenwood. So there's a petition out there surrounding Mason Greenwood. And it's very, very funny because so much persons, and one of the reasons why I'm cancelled is because I discuss the petition. And it's so interesting that one of the person who is basically, you know, a driver of the cancellation also did a video on the petition. But guess what? That person, some persons are okay talking about the petition, some aren't. And unfortunately, MG Sports TV is not allowed to discuss the petition. Or else, I am the one who's running or campaigning the petition. And that is the reason why I got cancelled. Now, JT Taylor, that's Sports Prophecy, called me today on a program, fine. Initially, I never really know somebody on a program. Thing was called, thing was a collected call. Anyways, that's an issue. Someone on the call named Peter said, why MG Sports disingenuous with him title, disingenuous with him thumbnail, and just disingenuous, and keep on and show the word disingenuous. You make other people. Let's find what the word disingenuous mean. Let's find that first. I think it's important we start there. Disingenuous. If you can read it, let's read it. This is what the words mean. Not candid or sincere, typically by pretending that one knows less about something than one really does. That's the broader aspect of things. So for example, a little thing go down so, and me I go say, boy, you know, say me don't know what go on do. Or me I go pretend like me don't know what go on. And you get that? A little thing go on down a John shop, you know? And me I go pretend like me don't know what go on. That is what it means in totality. But there's other references where that is concerned. Dishonest, deceitful, underhand, all of these type of things. So he said that my title and thumbnail is disingenuous, which is deceitful, lie, dishonest. Are basically pretending that me know less about something that me really does. Because really and truly, I knew that they were throwing the word, they were throwing the word really, really bad. But guess what? Me play the game. Even Cataract on the same JT show said it. So let's have a look at the title first. Let's have a look at the thumbnail, petition, and the video itself was strictly surrounding the petition. So if that is disingenuous, please somebody in the comment section explain to me. Not wanted by some fans. In the petition itself is a petition for Macy Greenwood to not represent Jamaica. But it's by a minority. By a minority. So where is that disingenuous? Where's the lie I'm telling here? Me dishonest. Me know more than me I say. I've lost quote unquote. I've lost with that. So guess what? The thumbnail all tight. There's nothing there that is disingenuous about the thumbnail. Fine. Let's go into the title. Because they said, boy, it's disingenuous. Let's have a read of the title. Oh boy. Petition against Mason Greenwood. That is also disingenuous. That is also deceitful. That is also a lie. That is also dishonest. But in entirety, the video is actually about the petition that is against Mason Greenwood. That's what the video is about. So it's very sad that I have to come here to clarify this, because the thing is, I personally thought that my audience are mature people who can actually sit and have a conversation. But what I realized is that YouTube have people who believe who just don't listen to understand. So you have people, as in say, the 30 seconds are 1 minute factor. They listen first 1 minute of the video, gone, then come to the conclusion. The thumbnail, first of all, there's nothing wrong with the thumbnail. And if you see a thumbnail like that, why not listen for information? I mean, I always tell people, my videos are not a 1 minute reel. If you want a 1 minute reel or shorts, go into the YouTube shorts or go on Instagram. Don't come on YouTube. Don't come on YouTube for the YouTube videos. Go on the shorts and Instagram reel. So apparently, I am being cancelled. Oh, the 10 to 1,000 views, really, subscribers, really and truly, 10 persons unsubscribed between 10 o'clock this morning and about 10 persons unsubscribed. But guess what? During the same time period, because as one drop, like 3 more come up. During the same time period, I gained like 25 subscribers. So really and truly, the cancellation, no, that cancellation, that introduction, this title that you're seeing is actually disingenuous, not the video that I did about Macy Greenwood. And the video that I did about Macy Greenwood specifically was not about the player, more so about the petition. If you watch the video, you will see that I was specifically discussing about the petition. Reading the petition, what it's about, speaking about the structure of the petition, speaking about the things that they're saying in the petition. I also said in the petition that this petition is border marking thin lines. But guess what? That's not important. What's going to happen is people want to cancel MG. No, I have, all right, my screenshot on wall by people that tell me about my mother. People that tell me say me can't go to stadium. People that tell me say me can't go to stadium. You can imagine. Rough. Because of what? Because of what? Lack of understanding. You see interesting? We have too much persons on the internet who have no knowledge or understanding of deciphering information or even receiving. They're not even decipher. Just simple as receiving information correctly, and we wouldn't be there. Actually, it don't matter, Missile. They can cuss all they want. We have a problem here in that is developing in the YouTube space, yeah? We have a problem. We have a big problem. I want to listen. This is a problem, yeah? If you don't agree with someone, you are against them. If you don't agree with someone's opinion, you are against them. Listen to this, yeah? Not everyone in the YouTube space you will agree with. That's just a normal aspect of things. Even in the same petition, I did say that Macy Greenwood is coming. It's just that it won't be coming at the expected times that most fans. But guess what? That's not relevant. Nobody want to hear that. People want to hear the part that suits their agenda. As they say, I have an agenda. But apparently, people have an agenda as well. But guess what? The campaign can continue. When you can do another video tomorrow, do another video next week, or so on. The campaign will continue. So when you go and do the campaign, MG Sports are going to just dwindle right down, and nobody now come on MG Sports channel. Nobody no wants to back MG again. It's rough. And all of a sudden, MG just go out of business. And now just go on the road with a pan. I say, any little shilling. Some people say, boy, no matter school they go, no matter what degree they have, they're not smart. But really and truly, if they really watch the video, they'd realize that they are actually not the smart one. It's just really, really interesting. Anyways, but this video, this is a reaction to all of the videos them, and me have all the comments them. Me screenshot one whole heap of comments. I highlight some of them. And some people will link me regular to, I said, boy, I say go still. Anyways, I say go. Here go people, big up on yourself, smash the like button. Tomorrow, the CONCACAF Club Championship is going on. Mount Pleasant versus Arnett Garden. Turn out now numbers. We still have to support. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. I'll be doing a preview on that. Look out for it. Well, maybe nobody not go see it because me get cancelled. Jeez, I'm pissed. Me get cancelled. It's unfortunate, people. 10 go, 25 come. That's how you go. Sorry, unfortunate. You know the unfortunate thing about it now? The 10 that left. It's good. So it's just so sad. It's just so sad. It's very, very sad. Let's tilt our hat. We're not a hat now. Let's tilt our hat. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Here we go. Me keep it professional. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you guys again. All right. God bless. Enjoy your Sunday, people. You know what I mean? NG Sports get cancelled. Yeah, man, that can too, man. Yeah, man. The man, I love local baller. You know what I mean?